Hello everyone and welcome. This is the new release for the month of October. TPC sale is just a couple days away. Sorry this took me so long to get it up, but I was trying to get everything finished so that I could show you all of the stuff that I have. So I'm going to start off with this one, which is called Yeti for Winter. And because I'm starting with this one, I'm going to show you all the formats that I have. And most all of my kits are going to come in all of these formats. And if they're not, check the website. I'll try to remember which ones do and point them out as I go, because some of them maybe didn't have enough artwork to do everything. But I'm going to start off with this little guy right here. So the main is the standard vertical, and this is your normal 1.5 inch wide boxes. So here these little guys are. They're so stinking cute. So this is Yeti for Winter. We've got a nice little double box scene here, and I got all your boxes here. Here's all of your washi and another full box. Some more of your like checklist boxes and your date headers. And then this page with all the little extras is my little functional page. Then you also have an option for a 4-page kit, a 6-page kit. The 6-page kit comes with the washi and the deco, or you can do just the whole, and it's called the whole kit and caboodle, and it comes with the glitter headers. This is a new format with your date dots and a whole bunch of scripts here, doodle boxes, and trackers. So that is the standard vertical. Next up, I will show you, this one is the, two here, the PP weeks / ANN weeks. So I'll do it this way. I'm trying to see which way is the best way so you can see it. So you've got full boxes here, washi here, and these are made to fit the ANN weeks, and they can be kind of altered a little bit for the PP weeks as far as like the length of these. These are a little bit longer than a PP week, so you can do a little bit of sticker surgery, but they fit the ANN perfectly. Here's your page 2 with all of your days of the week, glitter, some little extra goodies here at the bottom. And then this page is your functional page with your date dots. So that is the PP Weeks format. Next is the Hobonichi format. So this one fits the Hobonichi and the Panichi. Again, it's a little bit washi-wise, it's a little bit bigger than the Hobonichi, but do a little bit of sticker surgery, you can bring it down. Otherwise, the boxes are the same size. So you've got all of your small little boxes here for your decorative stuff and your check boxes, and then a whole bunch of functional stuff. Here's all of your dates, and then you've got a notes page, your washi, and all the extras, and your date dots. That is the Hobonichi. Then we have a daily format. So this is the newest one in the shop, which is just for like daily journaling, or if you're a bujo or one of those, this is what this is. So the boxes are a little bit shorter in size, but you've got plenty of stuff here. And then your page 2. So this is just these 2 pages here. Then this page here, which has just some glitter, bunch of washi strips, some more functionals, and a little bit of deco. So that is for a daily journaling spread. And then the last one is the TPC Nation one. So this is your TPC Nation format. I'll show you everything that's here. If you're a TPC planner person, then you know what all these. I made a little bit of a change to this one. So there's a couple less functional boxes so that I could add this in for you. So now you have all 5 weeks of the glitter strips, but you still also have a little bit of decorative, like strip washi kind of stuff. So that is the TPC Nation kit, and that one is Yeti for Winter. Next, I think I'm just going to do the functionals real quick. So I came out with 3 new functional bundles. So these they're up on the shop right now, and this is what comes in it. So you get 2 sets of date dots, and then it depends on the color scheme that you pick. So this one is the winter palette, so you get 2 sets of these. And this one is slightly different. Some of them are the same, but there's always going to be 2 sets in there. You get your doodle boxes. You get some paint swatches and some little hearts at the bottom, decorative hearts. And then this page here, which is the functionals, the 2 big sets of functionals. And these are different palettes depending on what you pick. So for this release, I'm going to try to do new ones every release. But for this release, we have a winter palette. We've got the traditional Christmas palette. Here's your 2 sets of date dots, not date dots, check boxes, dots, things, your paint swatches, your doodle boxes, and your 2 sets of functional boxes. And then the last one, this was kind of like a funky holiday palette. So again, with the 2 sets of checkbox, these are dots, check dots. Here is the doodles, here is the paint swatches, and then your boxes. So this was kind of like a winter / Christmas. It's kind of like one of the funky ones. I really liked the color palette, so I put it together in this bundle. So those are the 3 new functional bundles that are available. And now I'm going to do this guy right here because he's kind of odd man out. So I made this kit for my daughter because she wanted something Halloween, and I threw it up on the shop just in case anybody was still looking for another Halloween kit, another Halloween kit. But I thought it was super, super cute. This one is called Boo Crew, and it is only available in the standard vertical, but you have all the pages available to you, so you can get it all the way 4-page, 6-page, or whole kit. There's your washi page, and then your trackers, your doodle boxes. This one has this type of, most of them have the new one. This one has the older one because I made this a little bit ago for her. And then after this was done, I changed this. So there's that one, and then your glitter headers. So that one is called Boo Crew, and it is only available in the standard vertical size, and it is adorable. There's that one. Now I'm gonna go with, let's do Jolly. So this is another one of the ones that's available in all of the formats that I showed you in the Yeti for winter. And this one's called Jolly. Here are your scripts, your glitter headers, your doodle boxes, and your trackers. And this one is a more traditional, like Christmas type kit, which I think it's absolutely beautiful. It's kind of like got that farmhouse feel to it. I love the way this came out. I love the way these boxes look. Can't wait to use this one. Look at that washi. Oh my god, I love that. And look at that Christmas scene. It's so pretty. And then your functional page and your covers, your date covers. This is the deco and the washi. This one comes in all of the formats just like the Yeti for winter, and that one is called Jolly. Next is a redo of a kit that I've had in the shop for a while. This was a request, and this one is called Peppermint Land. This is a very bright, pretty winter kit with all the reds and the blues and the whites, and it's really, really pretty, really cute kit. So there's your page 1. Here's your page 2 with all this funky washi. Page 3, 4, and your washi, and your deco. And then this one only comes in the standard vertical because it is a redo of an old kit that I had in the shop. So here are scripts, and your doodle boxes, and your trackers, and your glitter headers. So that one is called Peppermint Land. The next one is this one, which is really, really, really cute. This is so stinking cute. I love the artwork on this, but there wasn't enough to do more than just a 4-page kit. So all we have is a 4-page kit available. It is up in the shop, and it is adorable. Look at this. This one is called Hello Winter. It's got that little doodly look to it. It's so stinking cute. I love it. They're ice skating and with their little coffee and her silly little dog and the snowman. This is so, so adorable. Here is your second page with another full box and your washi of the Hello Winter across it. Here is your next page. I love this. It's just so pretty. And then your functional page. So this one only comes in a 4-page kit. And this one is called Hello Winter. Super, super pretty. I love that one. This one is one of my absolute favorites. So this one is called Santa's World. And this is basically just everything that Santa, I don't know how to explain it. Just look at it. So time to dream, Santa is coming, ho ho ho, with his foot up on the car, cheers, he's having a martini, here he's hanging out in the tub, and here he's just sitting in the middle of a whole bunch of presents wrapping them. So this is called Santa's World, because this is Santa's World. Here's your page 2 with this adorable little house. It says, "Let it snow." Here's all your washi page, your washi strips. Hopefully this isn't so close that you can't see it. Here's your functional page with your date covers, which I love. This one. Then you've got a deco page and a washi page. And this one, I believe I have this one available in all of the formats as well. And then you've got your trackers, your doodle boxes, your scripts, and your glitter. So that one is called Santa's World. And this one next up is the gnomes. So this one is called Gnome for Christmas. Now it's all these little guys hanging out. Merry Christmas. He's got his cookies. I love the little reindeer ears on him. He's so freaking adorable. Here's your page 2. This one, again, is another one that comes in all of the formats. TPC, everything. This is just the standard vertical version of it. Here's your washi. Isn't they so stinking cute? And then your trackers. Sorry, my sweatshirts. Migrating, it's cold. Cold down here. Doodle boxes, scripts, and glitter. So that one is called Gnome for Christmas. And again, it comes in all of the formats. You can find that one up on the shop page. And then the last one is the newest one that I just put in, and this is the Harry Potter Year 4. So it's called Magic School Year 4, just to keep me from getting into trouble. And I tried to pull in everything that I could that reminded me of this movie. Goblet of Fire is favorite book, not favorite movie, I guess. So I tried to find things that you would immediately know. If you're a Harry Potter fan, you would immediately know what this was and who this, what year this was and what movie / book it is. So here you got Voldemort at the cemetery over his cauldron with his wand. Then you've got the Bulgaria and the Ireland from when they went to the Quidditch World Cup. Here is the announcement for the annual Yule Ball with the Weird Sisters, Potter Stinks badge, and the Rita Skeeter, Death Eater mask, all the little dragons to pick from for that one of the tasks. Then Beaubaton, I can't say it right, and Durmstrang. And then you've got your Moody's eye and his flask. I had to think about it for a second. Then on your page 2, this is what he said in the graveyard. Wormtail said in order to bring the Dark Lord back. So this one was bone of the father, flesh of the servant, blood of the enemy, the Dark Lord shall rise again in your washi. And then this here is the opening scene when they're at the house, when the caretaker walks in and is looking through the door. So there's the chair with the fireplace and Nagini. Then this is your functional page with your date covers. Next functional page. I went with some more like fall / winter colors because I was moving from, we're moving into from fall to winter. So I wanted this kit to kind of go with those colors. And then here are all of I did 2 different sizes. So you've got a smaller version and a bigger version. So if you're doing like daily journaling and you want to use the bigger one or this one in your planner. So not every single one of them has 2 because I couldn't fit them all, but most of them have 2. So you've got 2 different sizes on the deco. And so, let me bring it down a little bit. So that is everything except for what you've already seen, which is, let me grab it real quick. So I know you already know about this, but just so you know that it's up in the shop. And this is not a part of the TPC sale, but it is a part of the October release. So the villains kit is up. I still have some available, so you can pick them up this month. At the end of the month, they go away. Here's the foil. This one is the purple. There's also gold hollow and orange are the 3 foil colors, and then the kit here. And these are ready to go. So this stuff is all ready to ship. And that's it. That's all I have for you for this month. I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. And I hope I see you on Thursday for the sale. We will be 30% off. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.